Hey guys, and welcome to another Minecraft video. And today we are lagging. Yes.
A lot.
And we're gonna finish this, and I'm lagging.
A lot.
A lot.
Now, Nick, I'm scared. A
Um,
lot.
Nerd.
Nice.
Nice.
So,
Is someone crying in the toilet?
okay.
Samantha, I told you. No. I'm scared.
Bedroom 3.
Wait, we have to look.
Nick,
What?
get in bedroom 3.
Where are you? I'm lagging.
Get in bedroom 3.
Button! I'm scared.
Did you really think you killed me, huh? There's a key in the chest. Quick. There's a cabin behind the building, and there's still one more circle.
Shut up! You don't understand. I'm sorry.
How powerful I am. You will die even before you reach there.
I don't know why I didn't get that
Let's
in my
go,
chat.
Nick. Did you get the button?
Yeah.
How
Why?
do we get out of here?
Move.
Oh, we leave.
No. The button goes right here.
I told you the button didn't go right there.
Can you please help me?
The button's gone.
Just get me one creative. I'm stuck though.
And we'll be right back.
Alright.
And we're back. And Nick finally realized what the button did after I said what to do.
And I was still recording, so yeah. Joe, we're so stupid. Where are we going? Downstairs.
I'm already downstairs.
What? Oh.
Because I knew where to go.
Wait, don't leave me. Where are you?
Right behind you, and it's raining blood, by the way.
Tasty. It's fruit punch. Where are you going?
Behind the house.
Did they say to go behind that?
Yes!
Oh. And everyone, that's how Nick is smart. Or didn't pass the 7th grade. Magicalness.
Where's the cabin? So there's a cabin behind the house. They lied.
Baby.
Oh, never mind. They didn't lie. It's right here.
It's not behind, it's like in the corner. There's one more. You did it, thank you.
This can't be the end.
I can't get the stupid like text. Why do you only get it?
Because I placed it and I'm amazing.
No.
This can't be the end. We still have one chalk left.
Oh,
Maybe we write math equations on the board for detention.
That makes sense.
We're so stupid.
Oh yeah, there's one in the beginning. I remember now. Do you know who I am? I am Sarah! The magic. Joe, where are you going? Go the pathway.
Sarah to seal me.
Go the pathway.
Welcome to hell? I'm sorry, excuse me?
Oh my gosh.
We have withered 2 forever. Watching you die slowly. I don't want to die slowly.
I died. If you didn't get the ending part, here is the
Wait,
story.
hold on. Don't read it without me. Don't read it without
Ending
me.
for dumb.
I'm almost dead. Don't worry.
Map by Rima. That was lame. Thanks for playing. I hope you liked it. And don't forget to report bugs.
Read the book.
Fine.
You must know the ending.
Mr. Buttercheeks says, oh my
Oh,
gosh,
wrong
book, everybody.
Ending for dummies. Sarah and Alice were the same person. She had some kind of psycho, and she became an evil demon to kill everyone who bullied and tortured her. After that, she tried to escape but needed help. So she needed a Dumbo? Oh,
Like you
typo, I was supposed to say Dumbo, like you, to break the seal. So you helped her to escape and to kill you. Now the Earth is in danger, thank you.
If you're wondering how he's reading it, oh no.
He's right next to me.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm right next to him, never mind.
Friends. Goes
Wait.
to the end of the beginning. There's a button, man.
Where?
On the top!
There's no.
Oh my gosh. Pressure play!
Wow.
That was a terrible story.
Great ending. You know what this means? Part 2 coming soon. Restart.
Sarah, you did it. Thank you. I am free now. Meet me at the gate. Oh, there is more! We're so smart at this.
Wait, but no one's at the gate.
I can stay in the morning. I says orphan, happy shady baby.
Yeah, I don't think there's more.
No, there is.
No, there's not.
It says I am free now.
But
Meet
she
me
said
at
that
the gate.
before. And they just gave away the ending. What's in there?
This is the gate, homie G.
Wait, hold on.
Wait, do you still have the key?
No.
Maybe we're supposed to put it here.
No, all that's in there is useless stuff.
Where are we supposed to go?
It's over.
You sure?
Yes. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.